I've never eaten such a tasty chicken! A quick and easy recipe. To start, slice 3 chicken breast fillets. Pound it with the help of a kitchen mallet to make it softer. Put it in a bowl and season it with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and stir so that these seasonings blend together. Now in a frying pan, add 1 drizzle of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, and saute well. Oh, and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Then pass all this mixture into a bowl. Add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, garlic powder to taste, salt to taste, and stir. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, I love chicken. Pour all this cream on top of the chicken and spread it well. After spreading it out, roll up the chicken this way. To continue, in a bowl, add half a cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, 1 egg, salt to taste, and stir. Next, add all the chicken in a baking pan. Pour the creamy made and spread it well all over the chicken. And finally, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And now our recipe is ready, and all you have to do is enjoy. You guys, this chicken recipe is very easy to make and is very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home, and then come back to tell me how it was. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.